basic wash steps. First step is shaking, scrubbing, and separate the clothes from non-fast color to fast color. Non-fast color shirt and fast color pants. Shaking and scrubbing. Shaking and scrubbing. Stop. Third step, flashing to remove the soil and sweat of this clothes or units. Hot water.
Pause muna. Sabi mo pag ano pause.
Okay, so we're already done flashing. Next step, aside first the clothes. Put some liquid detergent.
Ano talaga ng accent mo din. Tapos ang gwapo mo pa. Uwi ka na, bye-bye, ingat.
And put the clothes or leaves. You can hand wash it if there's a stain to remove it. And also you can soak it for minutes. If you The next step is the bleach or bleaching. You can use bleach if there's a hard stain to remove it. This is the bleach. Just put a little bit. So you can put it directly on the clothes where the stain is.
Sige, matapang yan.
And you can brush it. Or you can brush it.
You can
To
use
remove the stain.
you can use also brush ganun. You can also use brush.
To remove hard stain.
Yun. Ganun.
Cut.
Cut.
After that, the next step is the rinsing. We're going to remove the excess
Soap.
chemicals or liquid detergent that we already put on this clothes. So, add water.
Kalang yan para naka-running water talaga.
Put a lot of water until the liquid detergent or the chemicals completely removed from the clothes or unit.
Tuloy-tuloy ito
So, the next step,
Yan na
the
yun.
seventh step is the
Fabcon.
sour or
Fabcon.
soften it using a fabric softener. This is the fabric softener. Yes, add the fabric softener. And put some water, of course, to dissolve the fabric softener
Paano? Bumango, ganun.
And soak it for a little bit of time or overnight if you wanted to. That's it. That's how you put the Facto on the boat. So the number 8 step is now we're going to extract the water from the boats. All you have to do is to manually squeeze it. Like that, or you can use a machine to extract the water from it.
Perfect na ni Aldin to. May ada pa sila.
Extracting. So the 9th step is what we call the drying. There are 2 types of drying. You can use the hang drying or hanging it to dry, or you can use a dryer machine. This one is the hanging dryer. You have to do is to hang it on the hanger and place it on top and wait until it's dry.